My Sundays always have a slow start. I allow myself to wake up without an alarm and slowly ease into the day. Writing down 3 things that I'm grateful for allows me to start my Sunday in a positive and calm way. I normally don't work out during the weekend, but I still make time for some gentle movement. Stretching is part of my morning every day, and I will sometimes do some ab exercises too. My favorite meal of the day has to be breakfast. I always make sure to eat something that will give me energy and make me feel good. Today I am having an oat pancake, which is one of my go-to breakfasts. Also, peaches are in season and I've been having them quite often lately. This right here has to be one of my favorite moments of the day, enjoying my breakfast and watching some YouTube videos. What time do you usually watch YouTube? My Sunday reset routine is not complete if I don't change the sheets. A fresh pair of sheets is mandatory for me. Especially during the warmer months, our beds can accumulate some not so pleasant stuff, so make sure that we start the new week with a clean and comfy bed. One thing that has been a game changer for me is sleeping on a silk pillowcase. I feel like my skin and hair are well protected. I only have one silk pillowcase, so I wash it every Sunday and put it back on. It dries very quickly too. The last thing I want to do during a busy work week is lots of loads of laundry, and that's why laundry is one more thing included in my Sunday reset. I try not to overstuff the washing machine in order for it to work properly and clean the clothes efficiently. While a load of clothes is being washed, I normally put away clothes that are already dry. A clean space equals a clean mind. I love starting my week in a clean environment, so I clean all the dust, tidy around the apartment, and turn on the robot vacuum. Since I also work from home, having a clean and clutter-free apartment is very important to me. If my space is not clean and tidy, I tend to be less focused and even feel anxious. Time to get organized for the new week. I plan my work on Google Calendar, and ever since I started doing that, I feel truly in control of my schedule and focused. I normally plan out my whole month, so I'm just checking if I need to make any changes to my schedule or add something. Sundays are the days that I love pampering the most. I feel like I have that extra time to take a longer shower and even do a face mask like I did today. This is something that I definitely don't do every single Sunday, but it's nice to buy a face mask every once in a while. Reading is something that I enjoy doing throughout the whole week, but nothing beats this relaxing moment on a Sunday. I would love to know which book is your favorite, so don't forget to leave a comment letting me know. One of my favorite books has to be The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. One thing that I recently started doing is an end of the week check-in. I will grab my journal for one last time today and I will answer some prompts. By doing that, I feel like I close my week on a more positive note and having a more clear headspace. The prompts that I answer are: how do I feel about this week? What made me happy? What habits don't work for me and I can leave behind? And what good habits can I bring in the new week? So guys, that would be all for my Sunday reset routine. I know that not every single Sunday can look the same, but this is my Sunday reset routine on a perfect Sunday. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!